Oh, they live in a zoo.
Yeah, they're protected from predators. Maybe not wild birds that may come around here, but
Maybe
they still have to look out for vultures and maybe wild owls that don't live here. Yeah, there's a raven over here. Did you see the raven back there? Behind you?
How's it playing? Okay. The one guy's like, I'm the king of the world. See, look, oh, wait, the other one's standing up. It's standing up on the mountain. He's like, okay, you all might know, praise me now because I am the king of the rock. Everyone who's on the mountain. I am the king of the world. And then the other one is just, yeah, you're telling me don't.
It's just looking out for its kiddos. Aw, they're play fighting.
Maybe it's the mom.
Oh, they're so cute.
It's 4. Oh, it's 5. It's 5. Yeah, it's 5. Oh, they're fighting.
Adorable.
Oh, hey, I got chasing to the hole.
So adorable.
7. Did someone come out of the hole? What's mom?
I don't know. Hi. Come with the picture? Hello there.
Hello.
What you doing? Dad's got the camera. Hello there.
Hello.
I don't know. Hi, cutie.
Hi, Mom.
You're so cute. What you doing?
Oh, wait. The other one are fighting over there.
You should be looking at your kids, not us. Watch your kids.
Hey.
Did you know I was taking a video?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew.
No, I was talking to her.
Look at how tiny.
I wonder if she knew I was taking a video. She's like, here, you want a close up? Got you. Hey. Hey.
Aw,
What's
she's
up?
really interested in you guys.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, Jordan, no.
Jordan.
No.
Jordan.
No, down.
Do not do that.
Hi.
She's like, do you have food?
I don't have any food. Hey, baby.
You've got lots of good eatings in your enclosure.
Hi.
You should be watching your kids. Look, you got food right there. There's a berry right there. Mock strawberries. I bet those are good eating for you.
Yeah. Those are good.
Mama, she's like over here watching us. What you doing?
I'm glad I got all this on video.
Go see your babies.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
You should
Go see your babies. She's like looking at the cement wall.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Go. There's good food over here. Good foraging over here. I see those mock strawberries over here.
Wow. Oh, yes.
They probably like to eat those.
Yeah. There they are.
Go, girl. Go. Go.
Go, girl, go.
So cute.
What you doing?
She's trying to get out. Watching your kids.
What are you trying to do?
She's like, I want to get out.
What's up?
Miss Prairie Dog, you should be watching your children.
She's like, I want a break from my kids.
That was funny.
That was really funny.
Oh, wow.
Hi.
Jump up the wall.
She's trying to say hi to our kids.
That was hilarious.
Why did she come all the way up? Oh, she's back. Hi.
Yeah. Lots of grass you can eat. Lots and lots of grass and berries and flowers and seeds.
She's so funny.
She may
Maybe
Maybe when they rescue. Oh, wait, there's another adult. I think that's the dad.